Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to apply for Facebook and Meta financial aid. At first, let's go to Coursera, log in or create a new account if you don't have a new account. For now, I'll just log in because I already have an account set up. I'll sign in with Google and use my credentials here. You can use your credentials and log in. Once you're done with that, you'll get this landing page, and then what you have to do is find the course that you want to study and apply the financial aid for. For now, what I'll do is I'll go to this tab here and find Meta front-end developer course here, and I'll scroll down because I already have few courses that has been approved for financial aid. What I'll do here is I will select the advanced React course, and over here you'll see apply for financial aid. So whatever course has this financial aid available, you can apply for the financial aid. I'll click on that, and after that I'll click on continue to the application, and here I have pre-filled information from August 7th. I think this was for one of my previous course that I applied. Over here you have to put your education, so the recent one I have is college degree, and you can put your annual income over here, whatever annual income you have, and your employment status, if you're full-time, part-time, unemployed, or student, or any others. And you have to give a brief description on why you are applying for this financial aid. I have a draft description, a brief description about why I want to apply for the React course. So you can pretty much guarantee that your application will be approved within 2 to 3 weeks. And what you have to do is click on this and click next, and it will prompt you to step 2, and here you have to do quite a few things over here as well. So how much can you pay for this selected course? For that you can do 0. And how will your selected course help you for your goals? So over here as well you have to give a brief description, and what I'll do is I'll just simply paste that what I have written for the previous description, why I wanted to apply for this course, and I agree to the above, and I'm not a robot, and review application and submit your application. That's it guys, that's pretty much it. It's simple to apply for financial aid. Now what you have to do is you have to wait for a few weeks to get this financial aid approved, and then you can start your learning journey. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.